Hello viewers, this is Roshmi from Kolkata. Welcome to my channel. Today is the last episode before Bengalis New Year. So I will show you all discounted sarees and it's a mixed bag. So let's start. Saree number 1. This one is Madhubani painting, original Madhubani painting on Gicha Tasar, pure Gicha Tasar with silk mark certification. See, this is Palla portion. It will come in the Palla portion, and this is the entire body. It will be the entire body. The material is pure Gicha and it is pure Gicha Tasar and very soft, lightweight, and you can see the work. I will show you. The entire saree has been painted. This is original Madhubani painting from Madhubani district of Bihar. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. I will show you the draping view of the saree. See, this is the draping view of the saree, Palla portion. The original price is 8,500. Now the discounted price is 8,000. Only 8,000. Saree is pure Gicha Tasar. Price 8,000 with silk mark certification. Saree number 1. Next one, saree number 2. This is also same thing, original Gicha Tasar, Madhubani painting. See, Palla portion. This is Palla portion, Aanchal portion. This is the wrapping view. See the saree. If you like the sarees, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. The original price of these sarees are 8,500. Now the discounted price is 8,000. This offer is valid till 14th April. Till 14th April. These all are Madhubani painting, full painted sarees. Material is Gicha Tasar, very soft, lightweight and easy to wear. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the saree. Price is 8,000. The discounted price is 8,000. Saree number 2 with silk mark certification. Saree number 3. Another one. Today I will show you all the Madhubani painting on Gicha Tasar only. Palla portion. Palla portion. See, this is the draping view. This is the entire saree. Material is Gicha Tasar, pure Gicha Tasar, lightweight and with silk mark certification. The original price is 8,500. Now we'll get a discount of rupees 500 and the price is 8,000. This offer is valid till 14th April. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the saree. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Saree number 3, price is 8,000. Saree number 4. Saree number 4. This is also with the same price. Material is pure Gicha Tasar, lightweight, and you can see the painting. So nicely done. This is the view. Palla portion. See the work. See the work. Painting, rather it is painting. Original Madhubani painting from Madhubani district of Bihar. And the price of this saree is 8,000 after discount. No extra shipping will be charged. Shipping charges is free. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Shipping charges is free, absolutely free all over India. No COD charge, no shipping charges. But COD is available only within Kolkata. Price 8,000. Next one, sari number 5. All the paintings are very different, so see. Here is a palla. And this is the view of the sari. So this is the view of the sari. Material is original pure Gicha Tasar. Pure Gicha Tasar, so it is of light weight and very soft one. The price is again 8,000. I will show you the draping view also. Blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. See, this is the draping view of the sari and the price is again 8,000. Sari number 5. Now sari number 6. Last one on Madhubani painting. The price of this sari is also same, 8,000 after discount. Here is the palla portion. The entire body is like this. This is the entire body. These all are original Madhubani painting on pure Gicha Tasar. The price is 8,000 after discount, no shipping charges. We deliver pan India through courier and without any shipping charges. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Draping view of the sari. Sari number 6. Palla portion. Material is pure Gicha Tasar. Now from Bihar I will shift to Lucknow. I will show you some Lucknow chiffon on Georgette. These are also very nice saris. See the color. Palla portion. This all material is Georgette. Material is Georgette. The original price is 6,500. Now you will get a discount and the price becomes 6,200. See, with whole body work. I will show you the color in this way. I think you can understand the color. This is the actual color. Now see, the price of this sari is 6,200 after discount. Here is the pleats. This work will come in the pleats. These all material is Georgette and Lucknow chiffon has been done on this. And here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece. The price of these saris are 6,200 after discount. See, this will be the look of the sari. Sari number 7. Now sari number 8. The color is parrot green. Material is Georgette, Lucknow chiffon on Georgette. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with full work. And this is the body. See the work. I will show you the sari with the draping view. Palla portion. Here is the palla. See. This is the view of the sari. Here is the view of the sari, palla portion. The price is 6,200. The material is georgette, pure georgette, Lucknow chiffon on pure georgette. Next one, this is a mango color. Again with a full work. See, palla portion. Here is the palla portion. See the work. This is the work. Entire sari with the same volume of work, and the price is 6,200. Price is 6,200, and 6,200 is the discounted price. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. Here is the blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The color is, you can say this is mango color. This is the view of the sari. Price is again 6,200. Next one, this is light green or Rama green, you can say. This is also very pretty. Price is 6,200 again. 6,200 is the discounted price. This is the view. See, all the colors are very nice with full volume of work. This is light Rama green, you can say. All the saris with full work and blouse piece. Material is georgette, comfortable one. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. And this is the dripping view of the sari. Dripping view of the sari. Price is again 6,200. Now from Lucknow, I will shift to Barmer of Rajasthan. This is Tasar Ajrak. Most demanding Tasar Ajrak. Palla portion. And the entire body. This is the entire body. This all Ajrak print has been done with the organic color. Base material is Tasar with silk mark certification. The price is 5,800. 5,850. After discount, the price is 5,850. No extra shipping charges. COD is also free within Kolkata. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Tasar Ajrak. The price is 5,850 after discount. Next one, yellow. Another Ajrak print. Tasar Ajrak on yellow. Sorry, this is the blouse piece. I will show you the sari from palla portion. It will be easier to understand. Palla portion. Palla portion. The entire body is like this. Entire body with yellow color. And here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. And the price of this sari is also 5,850. Base material is Tasar with silk mark certification. Ajrak. Now next, sari number 11. This one is sari number 11. This is also Tasar Ajrak. This all Ajrak has been done with the organic color. Palla portion. Here is the body. The color is deep coffee color. Deep coffee color. Palla portion. This is the view. The price is 5850. The price is 5850 after discount. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The material is Tasar and this is Tasar Ajrak. Original Tasar Ajrak print. Price 5850. Sari number 11. Now I will come back to my Bengal with the printed silk. Thanks a lot all the viewers for your such a good response of my last episode. That's why I'm showing you again some printed silk on a discounted price. Palla portion. Palla portion. Here is the body, royal blue with yellow. This is very bright one, royal blue with yellow. The price, original price is 3550. Now the discounted price is 3300. 3300. This offer is valid till 14th April. I repeat, this offer is valid till 14th April. After 14th April, the price will be again 3550. Now the offer price is 3300. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. Printed silk with silk mark certification. Now I will show you some more saris, printed silk. Sari number 15. Palla portion. The color is Rani color. See. Or you can say deep pink also. These are color discharge. Color discharge. Entire sari with the same block print, but it is very traditional and nice to see. Here is the blouse piece. As you know, my quality of silk is very soft and very good one with a very heavy weight. This is another one. Price is 3300. Next one, black. Most demanding black. Palla portion. Palla portion. And see. This is the draping view of the sari. This is the draping view. The lower border is, here is the lower border, it is like this. The blouse piece is also black on this sari. The price of this sari is 3300. 3300. Here is the blouse piece with the border. So, it will be the view. Next one, sari number 17. This is also on black but with multicolor. See, palla portion. Palla portion. This is the body. Entire body with this polka block with color discharge. The price is, original price is 3550. Now the discounted price is 3300. 3300. The most interesting part of this sari is the blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Ripping view of the sari. Palla portion. Price again 3300. This is pink color. This is pink with color discharge again. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion. The color is pink with color discharge. Both side borders are there. See, both side border. And the entire sari with the butta, colored butta. These all are color discharge. The color of this sari is pink and the material is pure silk. price is 3,300. 3,300 is the discounted price. Here is the blouse piece. See, this is the wrapping view of the sari. Price is 3,300. For booking, please call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Next one, this is red but tomato red. This is not blood red, this is tomato red. Similar type but with different color combination. Palla portion. See, this is the view of the sari. This is the view. Both side borders are there, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price again 3,300. 3,300 is the discounted price till 14th April. This is sari number 20, Palla portion. Very nice combination. The combination of this silk is very nice. You can see the view. This is the view of the sari. Mauve color with pink and white. Very comfortable material. Pure silk with silk mark certification, and the price is as usual 3,300 till 14th April. Here is the blouse piece. See, sari number 21. Sari number 21. This is grey with yellow and brown. Palla portion, and the entire body. See, this is the entire body. Here is the entire body. This print is floral print and very nice looking. As you know, the material is very comfortable, silk, pure silk. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. Sari number 21. Sari number 21. Now sari number 22. This is also another pink with blue combination. This is a little bit brighter one. The pink is much more darker than earlier one. Palla portion. Here is the body. This is the body, but this is not, it is very soft pink. And entire body with the butta traditional look. Price is again 3,300. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is the view. Price 3,300 with silk mark certification. Sari number 23. Black and red combination. Palla portion. The sari will be like this. I will show you in this way so that you can understand. See, this is the view of the sari. It will be black. The base color is black with red. And here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is red. See, this is the view of the sari. Sari number 23. Price is 3,300. Last sari, sari number 24 of today's episode. This is also another printed silk. Price is 3,300. Price is 3,300. See, this is the view. Palla portion. A different look. See, the entire body with blue and green combination. See, This is the view of the sari. Blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. Very pretty and very good quality. You know the quality of my silk. So price is again 3,300. Viewers, it was my last episode before Bengali New Year. So all the sarees are on discount. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. For booking, call or WhatsApp 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier without any shipping charges, and COD facilities is available only within Kolkata. Thank you.